I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from high.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you my Peachy makeup look. Just keep on watching.
I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like...
As you can see guys, hindi na ako na-foundation kasi ano lang naman to, peach makeup look lang naman to. Sobrang simple lang to. Kaya ginamit ko na lang is concealer na lang para mas madali dito. Dark circle lang naman yung pinakpan ko ay yung mga pimples na meron. Pero depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo mag-foundation or kaya BB cream or kaya mga gusto nyo ilagay. Katulad ng ginawa ko is concealer na lang kaysa mag-foundation kasi magkikiki siya.
I'm singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me baby one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing out the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taken back to 2002. Yeah, dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me baby one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing off the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. Dancing on a hood in the middle of the woods of an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Oh, now, oops, I got 99 problems singing bye bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me baby one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart, your shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love.
Hey,
Love, 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 love.
I'm doing for love.
Love, love, love.
Do it for. Yeah, do it for. Do it for. I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. Yeah, cause I can only do me, that's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same old me, even
watching. I hope you like this video. Give me a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my all social media accounts and bye!